Hi, I'm Andy. I'll be your technology guide today. In this video, I'll cover some tools and technologies you'll find useful while working at UNLV. Things like campus email, free subscriptions, software, and other services. You can always follow along with the technology brochure that you received today. Additional information can be found on our website, and you can contact the IT Help Desk 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need is your ACE account. This is your main computing account at UNLV. Your ACE account gives you access to your campus email, EduRoam Wireless, your desktop computer, in most cases, and other services. If you're faculty, you'll use your ACE account to access Web Campus as well. Your ACE username and password should have been emailed to the personal email account you provided when you were hired. If you have not received your ACE account, contact the IT Help Desk. You will use your ACE account to log into your computer. When you log in, your computer will automatically connect to your network storage folders. Your Y drive is your personal drive. Your X drive is a shared drive that allows members of your unit, department, or college to share files. Check with your department to see how and when to use your X drive files. Some departments have desktops configured a little differently. If so, the dedicated technician in that area will provide additional information. Of course, you also need email. UNLV Mail is your campus email and calendar system, powered by Google's G Suite. It also gives you unlimited storage and a full suite of collaborative applications, making it the best place to store and share files. To log in, go to gmail.com, enter your full UNLV email address and your ACE account password. UNLV Mail is the university's official means of communicating with you. Check it often so you don't miss out on important news and information. If you need a new computer, UNLV partners with top manufacturers for discounts. Computers are purchased directly by your department. Once the computer is purchased, OIT coordinates the setup and the installation of certain types of software. UNLV maintains campus licenses for over 100 popular software titles. The university also offers personal licenses for Office 365, which includes the latest versions of Microsoft applications. If you're in need of software or have questions, check out our website or contact the IT Help Desk. When you are on campus, free, secure, high-speed Wi-Fi is available on the EduRoam network. EduRoam is a unique Wi-Fi network available at institutions all over the world. To get connected, visit wifi.unlv.edu and click Configure Device. You must configure each device you wish to bring to campus and renew the device every 18 months. If you are teaching classes, you will find your assignments and student information in MyUNLV, our student registration system. Before you can access MyUNLV, your contract must be processed and you must complete FERPA training. Your classroom at UNLV comes with a standard set of equipment, including a computer, projector, AV connections, and a document camera. OIT offers training and help using classroom technology through a dedicated classroom support line to quickly get you the help you need. If you would like to share information and conduct classroom activities online, UNLV offers Web Campus, powered by Canvas, as the learning management system. OIT offers workshops, drop-in labs, and online training resources to help you learn and build your course content in Web Campus. This semester, you can also pre-record videos and make them available to your students in your Web Campus courses using Panopto. OIT also offers the Faculty Web Service, where you can quickly create your web presence. You can host a blog, share your CV or research, and more, complete with your own website and URL. For all faculty and staff, we offer hands-on trainings and workshops for Microsoft Office and Google applications, faculty websites, and Web Campus. visit our website for the current workshop schedule and to register. You also get free access to lynda.com, which offers thousands of professionally developed tutorials. You'll also need your Rebel card. This is your official UNLV identification card. It gives you access to many campus services, including library resources, discounts, and more. You can also load money to your card to use for buying things both on and off campus. You can check your balance and add funds online, at Rebel cash deposit machines across campus, or at the Rebel card office in the Student Union. One last thing before we let you go. As members of the campus community, it's up to you to help protect our campus technology environment from threats. UNLV has a number of official policies that you should read and understand. We want to explicitly mention our password policy. Passwords should be strong and unique. Do not share them, do not write them down, do not keep them near your workstation, and do not provide them in response to an email message. Consider using a password manager to help create and store strong and unique passwords. Lastly, one of the best policies you can live by is the common sense policy. Always think before you click and ask yourself if the email or website could be a scam. If something seems off, it probably is. We know it's a lot to remember when it comes to campus technology. Your Faculty and Staff Technology Guide contains all of this information and more. For general campus technology help, contact the IT Help Desk. We can assist you with your accounts, password resets, technical troubleshooting, software purchases, and more. Visit our walk-in locations, send us an email, or call our helpline. Welcome to UNLV.